What's up, folks? Honey's Morning Update, October 16th, Monday. Uh, no reaction to all the geopolitical war in Israel and everything else. So you have a low of 55. Interesting that it held that other day's low. So I'd watch for a break of that. You still have an overnight gap in the ES down to 51. I'd like to see that filled. And then you have this 81 level. So if we can get above this 81 level, then I could see probably some upside. We get back down below this 55, we could probably see some downside. 40 would probably be there, and then 20, 15, 20. Line in the sand again is 90, 87, 90. Downside. Now upside 44.31 to, you have a high of 44.30, and both your 100-day and 50-day are right here converging basically at 44.32. So that's going to be a big number. I could see him halt it at this 20 level. We get north of that, then we get the back up into 50 and take a run at 90. But we'll see. I don't know. It's kind of a tight overnight range. Bonds are lower, tilts lower, so I don't. That makes me nervous when you have that and then kind of a higher equity. So in my mind right now, someone's offsides. I tend to believe bonds over equities, but we'll see what cash session brings. Do hourly, we are, agnostic with my green line. We were above it. It was showing support, showed support. Now we're back below it. So we'll see. 66 is your pivot. 43.92 is your R1, 33 and 59. 43.25, that's not a bad one. 42.99, these are okay today. I'd keep an eye on them. Maybe the SPX equivalents might be different. I watch them both. And here you see that convergence with the 50, 100 day. And then, so this is that 44.32 is going to be a big level. Again, we get above that, we test this 50 and then up into, we hit the 90 level first. So, but I don't know. Then your 200's down at 42, 46 again. I really want to see a test of this area before we rock it up. But I don't know. The price action today is odd. Again, your monthly low is 235. Your monthly high is 44.30, so that's another reason to watch that 44.32 level, because that'd be a new monthly high, and it would probably open up the door up into this 45.15 level longer term. That's 200 points away, but that's your next major. You had a 45.27 and 13. There's a lot of volume up here that we could retrace to, so maybe we take a trip up there before we head back down. I don't know. I don't like the price action this morning, but we'll see what happens during cash. Here's your cash gap. We did chew into that a little bit, but it's 43.85, 44.02. 44.04 is your 50-day moving average, so keep in mind that would be a very reasonable target, is to fill that. I left this cash gap down here. It has been filled, but that 44.20 level, 21 has been support, and also it's your 200-day moving average on SPX. So we'll keep an eye on both of those. Again, we're kind of toggling between the two, and I'm not really, no real case for bullishness or bearishness at this juncture. Euro up 200 points. Again, we've traveled down. We dipped 106, that 106.3 level held, bounce. So it's kind of making a decision. Is it going to bounce off this 105 level and back up to 106, or is it going to continue down? I don't know. Again, I don't know. Be wary today. Your indexes are all up 15 ES, 165 Dow. NASDAQ's going to be your weaker of the three, so it's going to be interesting, which I guess would make sense. Your Dow is going to be your international flight to safety, so maybe that's what we're seeing here today. Uncertainty and money just getting off and coming into our equities, which could very well be. Anyway, I'll be in the room. Again, stay safe. You see it, take it.